Well, I can't just keep going.
We'll get a different angle. Oh, unless the sun is in the way.
Pass it up here. I got a good picture from this side.
Well, it's just... Man, he don't look really good.
No, because he can't move, because the other one's got him by the belly.
Yeah.
He's got a bite, and he's right on his belly. He's gonna sit there and wait until the guy dies or something?
It's ready, just press the thing.
Okay.
You gotta press it and then press it again. This is in a movie, it's not a picture.
Oh, why?
That's why I'm standing there, because... Well, because it was funny when we do the thing.
Mmm.